Meron kang early flight or super late ang iyong flight, papunta at mula dito sa Macau, ito ang hotel na recommended ko right across the Macau Airport.
Bem-vindo a Macau, onde o sol brilha forte.
Very convenient ang hotel na to for us, lalo na at late ang arrival namin ng Macau from Manila. This is Golden Crown China Hotel, just a few steps away from the departure area of the Macau Airport. Napakalapit sa train station at malapit sa free shuttle buses ng casinos at luxury hotels. Sa window ng hotel room namin, tanaw mo ang mga airplanes pero wala kang ingay na madidinig dahil soundproof ang rooms nila. I booked this via Agoda and this is a great deal dahil rate starts at only 3,100 pesos considering its great location. May up to 10% discount pa. Just use the discount code Mamalis Agoda upon booking sa Agoda app. I booked 2 single beds pero na-upgrade pala kami to 1 king bed. Sa room, may working desk, may kettle at may complimentary water, may USB-enabled socket at type A and G outlets. Meron din palang TV at may mini ref sa ilalim niyan. We also have a view of the Macau Airport. May full body mirror. Sa loob ng cabinet, merong hangers, small drawer at complimentary slippers. May blower, wide mirror at malinis ang lavatory dito. Meron ding complimentary toiletries. May bathtub at syempre may heater dito. Pero walang bidet kaya nagdala kami ng portable tabo. In-avail pala namin yung package with breakfast. Breakfast buffet starts at 7:30 AM. On time kami sa breakfast, akala namin tanghali na yun, ang aga pa pala sa kanila. Kami tuloy ang nauna, hindi halatang excited. In fairness, madami ding options. Nagustuhan ko yung fried noodles, fried rice, at sausage. May vegetables at may serial number ang eggs. Meron ding pang pika-pika at di mawawala ang juice at coffee. Macau Airport din ang view mula sa dining area. Ready ka na ba sa Macau trip mo? Super worth it magstay overnight dito. You can watch our full vlog sa aming YouTube channel, Mamalis Wonder Fam. Ayun lang, bye!